Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. H Math Lab. This video is for 3D model project part 2. In this activity we will learn how to graph a linear equation, which most of us already know how to do it. Now the new thing is with the restricted on the domain. So y equal to 2x. I'm looking at problem 1, y equal to 2x minus 3. That is regular to us. We know how to do that. The different thing is the domain from -2 less than equal to x less than equal to 2. Okay, it's nothing different with what we already did. I'm gonna show you the change, just a tiny change at the end. Okay, for this handout you need to have a ruler and an eraser and a pencil. Do not draw this by pen. Again, do not do this by pen. You need a pencil as well. Alright, slope. So slope y equal to mx plus b. Okay, so m is 2. M is 2. And b, y-intercept, b is -3. Okay, we know that. There's nothing new there. Slope needs to be in fraction. That's for 2 over 1. 2 divided by 1 is still be 2. B is the beginning. Okay, so we're going to begin at -3 on the y-axis. Again, B is the y-intercept, so it's always on the y-axis, -3. Okay, and M is 2 over 1. That tells us to go up 2 over 1. 1, 2 over 1. 1, 2 over 1. 1, 2 over 1. Then we use the ruler. We draw a line, go through all the points, but please draw a light line. Do not make it dark. Draw something really light. Okay. Something look like this. Okay, it's just like usual. We draw the line and then we stop. Now I want you to use the eraser. Erase all the steps. Oops, go back one step. Erase all the steps. Okay, so you just want to keep the line, maybe the dot. Okay, now what is the domain from -2 to 2? X between -2 to 2. So think is this way. The line is a string, and you're gonna cut on both ends, and you're gonna keep something in the middle. X is -2, so here is x -2. Okay, we're gonna do is pretend there's a scissors. You're gonna cut it right there. Okay, we're gonna erase the other side, the part that we don't need, right there. And then when x is +2, x is +2. Again, pretend there's a scissors somewhere here. We're gonna cut it right there. Okay, then anything else passing that point, we don't need it. So the line that we actually need is just from the first point to the second point. We chop it up at 2 ends. Okay, the line that we want is just from here to here. That's it. Not a full line. It's from x equal to -2 to x equal to 2. Okay, that's the final answer for number 1. If you need more time, you can pause the video and rewatch this one really quick. Otherwise, we're going to move on to number 2. Number 2, so m, y equals to mx plus b. M is -1/3. -1/3. B is 4. Right, b is 4. So we're going to begin at 4. Begin at +4. Then we down 1 over 3. -1 tell you go down 1, and 3 tell you go to the right 3. Down 1, go over 3. down 1, go over 3. Alright, then we use the ruler, draw the line, go through 3 points. But we're gonna make really light line. Do not make it dark, really light. Alright, now we're gonna see our restriction. X between -1 and 3. So X is -1 and 3. So this is where we use the scissor. We're gonna cut it out right here. At -1, we're gonna cut it right here. Okay, we're gonna chop it right there. So that will give us everything in the middle. We're gonna cut it out right there. And then at x equal to 3, we're gonna cut it out right here. Sorry, I'm not good at drawing a scissor. Again, you don't have to draw a scissor. I just draw it so to make sure you see it. We're gonna cut it up right here. So we don't need anything else beside that point. Okay, and we also don't need the step go up and sideways. Okay, everything between that 2 points. That's it. Sorry, I'm gonna go back on this really quick because it's too thick. Okay, we just want the line in the between -1 and 3. That's all. Okay, I'm gonna walk you through between -1 and 3. I'm gonna walk you through 2 more examples, but I want you to try it for maybe 4 minutes. Pause the video and try it for 4 minutes, and then we're gonna get back together on the next 2. Alright, I hope that you try it out. So here's our answer for number 3 and 4. Y equal to mx plus b. And as usual, m is 3. B is -1. Okay. M in the fraction form is 3 over 1. B, we're going to begin at -1. One more time. B is -1 is the beginning. Okay, and the slope tell you to go up 3 over 1. 1, 2, 3 over 1. 1, 2, 3 over 1. Then we draw a line. Alright. Then we're going to look at the restriction. Domain is x between 0 and 2. 0 and 2. So your x value is 0 right here and 2 right here. X between 0 and 2. So you're going to cut it right at this point. And over here, you're going to cut it right here. Okay, we keep the 1 in the between, but we erase everything else on the side. Oh, I didn't mean that. Okay, we erase everything else, but keep the 1 in the between. And I don't need my scissor either. And now we make this one darker. Yeah, that would be good. That's it. That's the answer for number 3. Number 4, y equal to mx plus b. So m is -2 and b is 3. -2 over 1. Okay, we're going to begin at 3. Begin at 3. And then down 2 over 1. Down 2 over 1. Down 2 over 1. Down 2 over 1. Then we draw a line, go through that 4 points. Okay. Alright, now we're going to see the restriction to chop it up. -1, x, and 3. X between -1 and 3. So -1 on x. We're going to chop it up. We're going to cut it right here. Okay, and then we cut it at 3. X is 3. Okay. So that 2 point, I'm going to make it darker or thicker. We're going to erase anything outside of that 2 lines. 2 points, sorry. So we're going to erase this part. And we don't need a scissor anymore because we know where to cut. This one. Anything between -1 and 3. And we don't need this step anymore, so I'm going to erase this step as well. Alright, now we're going to make this darker. Come on. Alright. Alright, that's it. Okay, so far with 4 examples so far, you see that we draw a linear line like usual. Then we're gonna find out where is the restricted on the domain. They give you 2x value, and from that one, pretend that you're gonna put a scissor, follow that line, you're gonna cut it, and then cut on the other side, so you have the middle piece. That middle piece is what we want. Okay, this activity will help you reverse the process. You're gonna rewrite your name in letters to the equation, which we're gonna practice in a second. Okay, now I hope by now you know how to do it. Go ahead, do 5 and 6 by yourself for 4 minutes. 5 and 6 by yourself for 4 minutes. Alright, for this one I'm going to walk you through even faster because I hope that you know how to do it. We just check the answer really quick. Slope is 2 over 3. B is -3. So we start at -3. We're going to go up 2 over 3. Up 2 over 3. And we draw the line, go through those points. Alright. The domain restricted is x between 0 and 2. At 0, you're going to chop it right here. And at 2, you're going to chop it right here. And we erase everything else on the side. We erase this. We're going to erase this part. We just keep the 1 in the middle. Sorry, I make this quite big. Okay, that's it for number 5. Number 6. So m equal to -1/2, b equal to 3. So we begin at 3. -1 tell you to go down 1 and sideways 2. Down 1, sideways 2. Down 1, sideways 2. Then we draw a line, go through that 3 points. Alright, now the restricted domain is from -1 and 3, x between -1 and 3. At -1, you're gonna cut it right here, and at 3, you're gonna cut it right here. Okay, then we erase everything on the side, everything more than that point, and everything lower than the second point. We just keep the 1 in the middle. And that's it. Alright, that's it. That's the answer for number 6. Alright, we're heading to the backside. Number 9 and 10. Okay, number 9, y equal to 6. Y equal to 6. And in this case, you see that we don't have x at all. So it means that whatever point that you choose in x and y order pair, whatever point that you choose, your y value have to be 6. Y is 6. So all the y value going to be 6. And it doesn't matter what your x value going to be. So I'm going to fill in a random number. Let's say 1, let's say 3, and let's say 5. Alright, so we have 1, 6. 1, up 6. 1, you go up 6. So this is the point. And then 3, up 6. 3, go up 6. Okay, and 5, up 6. Okay, based on this 3 points, you can see that y equal to 6 is the horizontal line. It goes sideways. Y equal to 6. That's it. That's the line. That's all for number 9. You had pause the video, try number 10 for maybe a minute. Oh, I'm so sorry. I forgot the restriction. Domain is -3 and 2. So x between -3 and 2. So at -3, you're going to cut it up. We're going to cut that up right here. Okay, and at 2, you're going to chop it up right here. We erase everything on the side. And erase this side. Okay, just the one in the middle is the one that we want to keep. That's it. Now it's your turn to do number 10. Guys, pause the video and do number 10. Alright, number 10. So x and y order pair, you can choose any value, but your y value has to be -2. So all the y value have to be -2. Now you can choose a different point compared to mine in a second, but we also have the same answer. Let's say I choose -3, I choose 0, and I choose 2. Alright, so -3, -2, -3, -2. Gonna be right here. 0, 2, 0, down 2. And 2, -2, 2, -2. So again, is a horizontal line, goes sideways. That's just y equal to 2. Now the domain is x between -4 and 2. So we're gonna chop it up at -4. Cut at -4 and cut it at 2. Alright, so we keep the 1 in the middle, and we erase the 1 on the side. Alright, that's it. That's the answer. Now number 11. If you want, you can try it out before I do it. It's the same idea. So choose 3 points in X and Y order pair. But in this case, your X is -3. Is no longer Y. This is X equal to -3. Sorry for that. X is -3. So all X's has -3. Y, we're going to choose any number. Let's say I choose 0, 1, 2 to make it convenient. So -3, 0, -3, 0. Stay. -3 go up 1. Right here. -3 go up 2. Right there. So as you see, this time this X equal to -3 is the vertical line going up and down. Now domain is for X, range is for Y. Y between -2 and 2. So between -2 on the Y axis, you're gonna chop it up right here. Cut. And at 2, you're gonna chop it up right here. Okay, we keep the 1 in the middle, and we erase everything else on the side. That gone. This gone. That's it. That's the answer for number 11. Go try your problem 12. Try problem 12. X, Y order pair. So all X's is 2. This one we can choose any number. Let's say 0, 3, 5. So 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0 right here. 2, 3, 2 go up 3. And 2 go up 5, 2, 5. You see you will have a vertical line go up and down at X equal to 2. The restriction is Y between -3 and 2. Y value as -3, you're going to cut it out right here. And 2. We're going to cut it right there. So we keep the 1 in the middle, and we erase the side. That's it. That's the answer for problem 12. Now we go over the last 4 problems. Now it's opposite. They give you the graph, and then you're gonna tell the equation. Okay, so first, to write an equation, y equals to mx plus b, you need to know what is your beginning. Okay, in problem 13, beginning is where they cross the y-axis. B is 2. For the slope, you need to know how many rise and how many run. From 2n, this point to that point, you go up 2. 2 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You go sideways 6. Up 2, sideways 6. We can reduce this by 2. So that will give you 1/3. Y equal to mx plus b. Then y equal to m. Your m is 1/3. X plus b. Your b in this case is 2. Alright, so fill in the box y equal to 1/3 x plus 2. The domain is where you cut it up. We cut it between -3 and 3. domain from -3 to 3. And that's it. Okay, number 14. Okay, I need to hurry up because the video is quite too long and my battery is running out. Again, y equal to mx plus b. We need to know the beginning. Okay, we begin at 1. Where they cross the y-axis, they cross at 1. So b is 1. M is the slope. So from this point to this point, we have to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So go down 6 is -6. We go to the right 1, 2, 3. So 6 over 3. 6 divided by 3 give you 2. And bring down the negative sign. Y equal to mx plus b, where is m is -2. And then x plus b, b is 1 plus 1. So y equal to -2x plus 1. Domain is where you chop it up. Domain in this case is -1 and 2. -1 and 2. And that's it. Alright, we're heading to the last two problems. If time allows, go ahead, try it for a few minutes, maybe 4 minutes. If you can, then continue watching this video. We try to finish it up. You can rewatch it at home so you can see how the 3D model project, the decimal, work, how to write your name in equation form. Okay, y equal to mx plus b. What do we need to know first? We need to know the b. Where's the beginning? They cross the y-axis at 4, so b is 4. Slope, how many rise and run? You go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go up 5 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 over 5, which you can divide it out. That's give you 1 over 1 or just 1. So y equal to mx plus b. Y equal to 1x plus 4. Again 1 for m and b is 4. That will be y equal to 1x plus 4. Domain, where did we chop it up? We chop it up at -2 and 3. The line between -2 and 3. Alright, 16. Y equal to mx plus b. B is the beginning. We begin at 2. Slope is down 1, 2. Go down 2, so -2. Run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 over 8. We can reduce it by 2. That will give you 1/4 and bring the negative sign over. So y equal to mx plus b. Where's your m is -1/4. X plus b is 2. -1/4 plus 2. Domain is where you chop it up. We chop it up between -4 and 4. Alright, that's it. Make sure your name on the handout. You know what? If you want to work on your project this week, go ahead, keep this handout. The reason is I want you to have the example and watch your decimal video is the next video. We probably don't have enough time by now. If we do, go ahead, watch it. If you don't, go home and watch that one. If you want a good start, if you want to get it done as fast as you can, or you want your name tag done before Thanksgiving, get it done and then turn it in next week. Alright, thank you everyone for watching. If you turn it in, make sure your name on the paper and turn it in. If you don't, that's fine. We're going to turn it in on Monday. Alright, thanks everyone for watching and hope that you have a great weekend. Alright, bye. Make sure you keep my classroom clean. Clean up after yourself. Thank you.